How to make bricks in Minecraft. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to make bricks in Minecraft. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, what you need to do is you just need to head over to any ocean or any water source near you, and then usually you can find some clay in there. So the clay usually looks like this. So what you need to do is you can just take a shovel and then you can just start picking on this, and then you can get this clay right here. So once you have that, you need to make a furnace. So in order to make a furnace, you just need to take some cobblestones and then line them up like this, and you should have yourself a furnace like this. So the furnace usually looks like this in Minecraft, and once you have done that, you just need to right click on the furnace in order to open it. Then once it's been opened, you can just see this furnace. So what you need to do is you just need to put the clay right here, and then put some fuel right here. It can be a coal if you want, and then after that it will be smothered, and then it will be processed into a brick. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to make bricks in Minecraft. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.